Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to change PIN code on your Coin98 mobile application. To change the PIN code on the Coin98 mobile app, first of all, open the app by tapping on the app icon from the home screen. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and then once you're inside, click on the Login with One ID or your profile picture at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Now choose Privacy and Security option and click on Change PIN code at the top. You will need to enter your current PIN first in order to change to a new one. Go ahead and enter your current PIN for your account and then enter the new PIN that you'd like to set. After you do that, re-enter the new PIN once again and you have successfully changed your PIN code for your Coin98 app. Doing this will enhance the security of your account and ensure that your PIN is updated regularly to maintain protection. That is how you easily change your PIN code on Coin98 app. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.